Hello, Professor Ward. I'm going to give you a quick demo here on how you can use Microsoft OneNote to write mathematical equations easily. So we bring up OneNote and we go to Draw and we need to select Ink to Math. And it brings up this little box here that it allows us to write down our equation using the mouse, and it will translate it up here to a cleaner version. So I'm going to do the definition of a relation being symmetric. So that is for every x that is an element of A. See, it corrects it as I go. You got it wrong the first time, but as I continued along, it started to pick it up and get it right. So we continue on. We've got for every y that is an element. See, it's got it wrong there, but when I put the A in, it corrects it. So then we open up some parentheses, and we'll open up another set here, and we have x, comma, y, close parentheses, is an element of our relation R, then parentheses y, comma, x is also an element of R, and close the parentheses. Now you can see that it's got it wrong here. It thinks this is a 12, but it should be an R. So what we can do is we can do select and correct, and we put a little circle around it, and it brings up what we might want here. And we want it to be the capital R. And then it changed that as well, so we want to fix this guy up, and we can select element of. So now we look at it, for every x that is an element of A, for every y that is an element of A, the pair xy is an element of R, then the pair yx is also an element of R. And you can see that, I hit insert, and just like that, my equation has been put into OneNote. And so here I'm going to move this over, and I'm going to say R is symmetric if, and then I just leave my equation there. And that's how simple it is to use OneNote. And just to give you a little demo, I'll make another little guy over here. I'm going to go back to Ink to Math, and I'm going to show you that it works for summation. So I can do the sum from n equals 1 to infinity, and just like that, it manages that guy no problem. If I want to add in another one, I can do the integral from 1 to 10, and see it's got it a little wrong there, so we select and correct, and we're just going to grab this guy, and we want to put that in. Insert. It can do fractions, it can do exponents, it can do pretty much everything, and it's quite easy to use, as you can see, and I'm drawing with a mouse as well. So that's a little demo of OneNote. You might want to use that in the future.